What's up you guys? I'm back at you with this video on my current skincare routine. So I'm just going to show you the products I use, why I use them, how I use them, what order I use them, when I use them. If you want to see what I do on a daily basis to get my skin looking the best it can possibly be, then please keep watching. Alright, so first thing I'm going to talk about is makeup removers. And since I have a lot of eye makeup, I would use my Lancome Bifacil. This stuff is great. I have a bunch of them. The one from Clinique, cheaper, and it works about the same, I would say. These two, I go ahead and I just use a cotton swab, and I will go ahead and just take off my eye makeup with this. When I don't, I will just go ahead and go in with a face wash makeup remover or a wipe. My favorite right now is, I've got these from couponing. This is the Almay makeup remover towelettes. This one's with Nourishing rice milk. There's a couple different ones. This one's one of my favorite. This is what I use when I'm kind of lazy and I don't really want to wash my face twice. Or I'll use this, which is Almay's Makeup Remover Foaming Lotion Cleanser. This also has Nourishing rice milk. And I really like this. It works really well. It takes off liquid lipstick like a dream. The only complaint I have is it doesn't really take off waterproof like mascara, but it's okay because I will use this in conjunction with the eye makeup removers, so it doesn't really matter. Like, the eye makeup should be completely off anyway. The next face wash that I use is Purity. So the Almay is kind of my drugstore option when it comes to makeup remover face wash. This is kind of my higher end. Purity, this is amazing stuff. I use it almost every day when I feel like my face is really clean. The Almay does the same for me, but I do feel like I need to wash my face again when I use it to remove my makeup. When I use this to remove my makeup, it feels like that's it. I'm done. I washed my face once and I don't need to anymore. So I do use this on days where I'm not wearing that much makeup. So I wash my face once and I'm done. Or like in the shower with my shower routine, I'll wash my face with this guy. And then my last little combo of washing my face. So here's my little Clarisonic, my purple one. I did an unboxing video of this a while back on my channel, and I'll go ahead and use it with this fresh face wash. There is another face wash from Lancome that I like to use with my Clarisonic, but I haven't gotten it in a while. I have this sample size of this fresh wash. It's not that expensive. I get this at Sephora for like 20 bucks, and it's the bigger one obviously, and it's pretty good size. And then obviously you guys know how Clarisonic works. You know, you just wash your face. And I always use my Clarisonic after I've removed my makeup. That's very important. You do not want to use your Clarisonic to remove your makeup, because all it does is move that dirt around and into your skin. You want your skin to be completely clean of makeup and product before you go ahead and use your Clarisonic. It keeps my face nice and exfoliated without using an exfoliator. If I do not like how exfoliating products washes affect my skin. So this is how I exfoliate. I do not do it every day. I do it maybe when I wash my hair, actually, and I don't wash my hair every day, obviously. I do it like once or twice a week, and I know a lot of people are like, ew, gross, like, I can't do that, I have oily hair, I can't do that. But the more you wash your hair, the more dependent your hair becomes on washing it. So the more you wash your hair, the faster it gets oily. And so I only wash my hair once or twice a week, and that's when I use my Clarisonic. Alright, so after I completely wash my face, I will go ahead and use a toner. Um, this guy, obviously I use it a lot. This is the Clinique Step 2. I did purchase the little set that's like the 3 steps, which is the face wash, the toner, and then the moisturizer that I'm about to talk about. The cleanser, I did like it, and I noticed that the 3 steps together was making my skin actually oily and kind of breaking out, and I was like, that's weird because I have really dry skin, and so I stopped using the cleanser and I just used this with the moisturizer, and it was fine. My skin wasn't oily anymore. But it makes it not dry out. This is a toner that will not dry out your skin, but it does remove any excess makeup that didn't get off when I washed it, and it also lightly exfoliates like I was talking about. So when I do use my Clarisonic, it does get off all the dead skin, but when I use this, I feel like it kind of penetrates and goes into my skin, if that makes sense. Like the Clarisonic, I feel like is a surface exfoliator, and this is like a deep pore exfoliator, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I really like this. I would definitely recommend it to you guys. And then this is another toner that I use. This is the Lancome. This is for dry skin. This is the little one. Like I said, I do not really splurge on high-end skincare. I just get them in sample sizes. So this is rehydrating comforting toner for dry skin, and it works the same as this one. I feel like they're pretty similar. The Lancome one, even though it's expensive, it doesn't really do a lot more for me, so that's kind of a tip for you guys. I was for a while splurging on skincare, and then I realized that I like the cheaper ones too. Like, it doesn't really matter to me. But there are some, like I'm about to talk about one right now, that I really would recommend, and I'm not kidding when I say I don't mind spending the money. Alright, so the one I'm talking about is the Genific serum, and this is the tiniest sample one. Like I said, I do not splurge. I try to get samples. This is Genific serum by Lancome, and OMG, this stuff is amazing. So what a serum is basically, it basically is like an intensifier to your moisturizer. So after I wash my face and tone my skin, I will go ahead and put some serum on. You do not need a lot. 2 or 3 drops is plenty, and I just put it concentrated on my dry areas, which is my T-zone right here, and I'll put it there, and then I'll kind of put it everywhere else on my skin and down my neck if I have enough. And then I like wait a couple seconds, so maybe like 15 seconds, nothing crazy, and then I'll go in with my moisturizer. And when I put my moisturizer on, no matter what moisturizer I use, after I use the Genific serum, my moisturizer just feels so luxurious, and it feels like it's actually working on my skin. Now, if you only use the serum, your skin is going to feel really tight, and that's just a tip. So do not use a serum without a moisturizer. Seriously, it feels super weird. The moisturizers that I use are both from Clinique. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge. This one, there's an intense one as well. I've tried that one, but I think I like this one a little bit more because I like to use this. Okay, these two are different. So I like to use this one before I do my makeup, because it's really good kind of priming moisturizer, so it sinks in really fast, and then when you touch your face, it's very smooth and it doesn't feel wet still, if that makes sense. This one does kind of feel wet, or like a little, not greasy, I don't want to say greasy, but there's some consistency still on your skin after it dries down. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. So there is a gel one for oily skin. This is one for like normal to dry skin, and then there's a one for dry skin, which is a pot like that. It's a thicker consistency. I like this one the best because it's not too much. Since I do use a serum, I don't need like an intense cream yet. I'm not that dry. But I also don't like the gel because I do need a little bit extra help in that sense. So I really like this one, and this was the one that comes in this set. That's obviously a sample size. That's my travel size because I ran out of my normal size. But yeah, I like those two. I do not like the moisturizer, or not the moisturizer. I do not like the face wash because it did kind of make my skin a little oily. Alright, so eye cream. I have dark circles, and I really have been trying to find a good eye cream to combat those dark circles. If you know of one, please comment down below. I'm really on a hunt because I'm trying to get rid of my dark circles. This Clinique Even Better Eyes for Dark Circle Correction. This is pretty good. I haven't seen a big difference in my under eyes, but yeah, it doesn't dry, you know, it moisturizes and all that good stuff, so can't complain. Okay, I wanted to mention masks really quick before I talk about something else, but I try any mask. I love sheet masks. I will do a mud mask if I'm breaking out a lot, but I just get sheet masks. It's kind of a pampering thing. It's not really like to dramatize my skin. It's not a daily thing or a weekly thing. I just do it when I feel like I need a little pampering. My next thing is not really face wise, but it is skin related, is I have dry skin obviously, so I use a lot of moisturizers on my body. I have eczema, so I can't really use lots of scented things. I can use it on my arms, but on my legs, like if I shave my legs, I cannot use scented moisturizer on my legs or I will have a conniption. My legs will freak out. So this is what has been working really well for my legs. This is the Clinique, it's almost gone, Deep Comfort Body Moisturizer. And yeah, it doesn't have any scent. It works wonders. It doesn't break me out. So I need to repurchase this actually. Yeah, just want to let you guys know if you have dry skin or eczema and you need non-scented. Last but not least, oh my gosh, I just got this for Christmas, so I can't really recommend this specific one, but my cousin gave it to me and she said she likes this, so she says it's really good for your nails, which I need help with my nails because I used to wear acrylics. Actually, I have a tutorial on how to get acrylic looking nails without spending the money and really ruining your nails on this actual look right here. This oil is awesome. So what I do, like right out of the shower, I will go ahead and I'll drop about 3 drops on my hand, on the palm of my hand, and I'll go like this, and then I'll scoop it up and I'll go ahead and put it like on my other nails, and then I'll just like, you know, rub it in my hands and put it on my elbows and like maybe my knees, like places that get really dry. And oh my gosh, like my hands are so soft after. My nails look better, they look shinier, like if I have my natural nails. I don't really like to use this on these specifically, like my fake nails, because these are press-on, like the glue, and the oil like deteriorates the glue. So I will not put it on my nails while I have these on, but these only last about a week and a half, and then I'll take them off and then I'll start using that to, like, you know, give them a little more life. So yeah, this video is already 21 minutes long, so I'm gonna cut it off and try to get it down below 10. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that, but I'm gonna try. If you liked watching, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe because I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!